Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show and tell how you can send WhatsApp location on iPhone. Please watch the video till the end. Like it. Let's get started. For this, you need to go to WhatsApp on your iOS devices. Then open Chat. And here click on the bottom left corner plus. Here we have camera, photo, we can send document, contact. We click location. Next here, we can share our location with the person live. So we can click send, and the person will see our location, where we're going at the moment. So, let's say we are moving. Our location is moving, and the person will see where we are going. Also, we can find some address from above and send it. And now, we can wait for it to load. And here we can send our exact location, where we are. So we just have to wait for it to download. Depends on your internet. Mine's a little weak. You click here, send your current location. And that sends our current location. Now the person can see it and follow it. You can also go to Google Maps. If you want to send your exact location, you select any location, let's say this one. Here you swipe to the side. Click Share. Choose WhatsApp. Here you press Send. That's how easy it is to send your location to WhatsApp. If you liked this video, you can like it. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.